Welcome to Gdańsk.
Thank you very much, Bo. Ladies and gentlemen, here at NRF facility, you are going to discover what's behind those walls, what NRF is creating, and NRF is maybe, among all of the others, the innovative company by excellence. It's more than a success story, it's a team spirit story. And Bo, could you describe us what we are going to discover behind those walls?
Well, here in Gdańsk, thank you very much, Emmanuel, firstly, what you are saying about NRF. I couldn't more than agree as an employee, proud employee in the company. Anyway, what we have here in Gdańsk is the European Distribution Center, together with the main facility of NRF Aftermarket. So we have 30,000 square meter warehouse facility here, extending it to 35 in the beginning of next year, 2025. That should be then times 15 meters high. In this location, it is working as the main distribution center and also a balancing unit for the regional warehouses we have throughout Europe. But we also deliver directly to distribution partners out of Gdańsk. In this location, we are almost 300 people, and that is because we also have central functions like IT, finance, supply chain, marketing, etc., etc. And specifically, here in this location, we also have our category management people working, and we're going to show you a little bit about some new product categories which we have launched recently.
Bo, now let's go in, meet the team, meet the product, meet the excellence, meet the innovation.
Great, go.
We are driving close to the NRF location, so I have an important question to ask you now. What are the latest developments that you did in this category?
And we found a missing puzzle piece in NRF portfolio of air conditioning parts.
Okay.
And these are air conditioning hoses and pipes.
Hoses and pipes.
Yes.
All right.
These are those rubber aluminum lines which connects all the rest of the components of air conditioning systems. What it's worth to mention that where we've been searching for such a product group under Airco, we've been searching something what will be sustainable. So by sustainable, what I mean is that this part will fit in all the vehicles you can imagine. So it doesn't matter if this is internal combustion engine or plug-in hybrid or electrical vehicle.
Like this car.
It's Tesla Model S, yes. Airco hoses and pipes you will find in every car. So doesn't matter which car, if it has air conditioning on board, you've got hoses and pipes.
So that is a very important information. So thank you, Michael, for the drive. I see that we are just arriving to the NRF location.
Exactly,
so
we are
now,
here.
Let's go inside.
With pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Michael and Andrea, for this explanation. I'm now with Jeroen at NRF Validation Department. So, Jeroen, I'm not sure that our Nexus members are aware that you have your own testing department. So, please let us know more about this.
I'm also not sure if Nexus members know that we have our own validation department. Here in Gdańsk, we test all our products. And one of that product is fuel pressure sensors. And today my colleague Pavel there is testing a fuel pressure sensor. He's testing the first batch of fuel pressure sensors and he's doing general tests to check the quality and performance of the fuel pressure sensors. And next to this department in Gdańsk, we also have a separate lab, so a sensor laboratory in Spain. And there we do more advanced tests, up to 4,000 bars pressure testing over there. So really impressive.
So what's next, Jeroen?
So we go to another room in a validation department to test another product group. See you there.
Hi Michael.
Hello Andrea.
Julie, Jeroen, thank you so much. I know that we will see you later. So, Michael, we are now in the NRF warehouse, okay? But first of all, what do you have in your hands?
Actually, Andrea, Gael in Frankfurt forgot something.
Okay. Wow. So, okay. I remember now. So, camshaft and crankshaft sensors product launch. This is what you did in Automechanica Frankfurt.
With Gael on stage, right?
Yeah.
This was one of 6 product launches during Frankfurt show. Gael was with us on stage, and I simply asked you to pass it to him. This was, as I said, one of 6 launches. There is a fun fact about camshaft and crankshaft sensors because we broke one of NRF records.
Wait. Records?
Record.
Can you tell me more about that?
Indeed. Camshaft and crankshaft sensors so far was the biggest launch ever made by NRF quantity-wise. So we launched 375 products in one go. So huge one.
Very huge one indeed. Michael, thank you so much for this information, and see you later. Huh?
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye. So now, let's meet another NRF person, which is approaching me. Hi, Bo.
Hi, Andrea.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
Wow, it's an impressive warehouse
Isn't
that
it?
you have, guys.
Yeah.
Congrats to the whole NRF team. I have something in my hands, and you have also something in your hands.
Yeah, this Andrea, this is a throttle body. So the throttle bodies is something we launched as well at Automechanica Frankfurt. Throttle bodies is for NRF the missing part in our range of air intake and emissions, together with intercoolers, turbo hoses and EGR cooling. By Q1 2025 we'll have more than 100 SKUs offering to all the NEXUS members, meaning that we will be definitely among the top 3 suppliers of this range, offering you a one-stop shopping.
Thank you so much, Bo. Now let's come back to Julie and Jeroen in the validation lab.
We are now in another testing room. Daria and Jeroen will show us what we are testing now.
Indeed, Daria is testing a new hose in our range. So this is another product group, SCR heated hoses. Currently Daria is doing some performance tests for these hoses, and the hoses are part of the SCR system, which is here, and it prevents the liquid from crystallizing. These hoses are 100% manufactured on original production lines, and NRF is one of the first aftermarket suppliers offering this special range. And now we're going to Kamil, who's presenting the innovation range.
And we are now in this workshop where everything is filmed so that we can train the mechanics to install NRF parts in a Zoe car, as you can see here, and of course in a Tesla, where NRF offers by 2025 a complete range of parts to equip the Tesla model. Those workshops at NRF are located here in Poland, but also in Netherlands and as well in Spain. So we're here, and I'm pleased to welcome Kamil. Kamil, when we talk about this full range of products, of parts that will equip the Tesla, can you tell us a little bit more what's at stake here?
Yes, thank you, Emmanuel. You are actually right. We want to be a leader in e-mobility. That's why from Q1 2025 we want to introduce 200 new parts for Tesla. In this Tesla that you can see here, we actually have installed and tested on driving how they work. The goal is to introduce new categories of products ranging from suspension, steering, braking, filtration, and much more. The thing with electric car is that, contrary to the common belief, they actually do brake, and it's not just consumables. Due to the different characteristics of the parts, many of them are being used much more than in ICE vehicles, like braking or suspension. That's why, using our also big technical background, which you were able to witness here, we want to inspect, see, gain knowledge, and train mechanics about how to work. As Emmanuel mentioned, on our Zoe and on our Tesla show cars. Because e-mobility is not just about parts, but it is about knowledge, and we want to know everything about the offer we have.
Does it mean that there is going to be a huge change in the know-how, in the expertise of the technicians in the coming years based on the e-mobility revolution?
Yeah, these cars are new. There is not much knowledge yet on the market on how to actually work on these vehicles, and that's where we, with our capacity, come in to actually be able to get the most extensive knowledge to the market with our most extensive offer of parts.
You see, at NRF, with the e-mobility range of services, range of parts, new range of parts, the future holds hopes.
Please.
Please.
So, Emmanuel, thank you so much for visiting us here today. What are the main takeaways?
First of all, thank you. You and your amazing team that are doing amazing things for receiving us during those 2 days. I would say two things that were very surprising and impressive. The first thing is the innovation at NRF with so many new products that you launch in the same time. That shows how much innovative you are. That's the first thing, definitely, that was impressive. The second thing is the quality of your the way you are testing everything, the way you are preparing everything with OE equipment to test everything. Even if you're in the automotive aftermarket, we can smell the OE spirit, and this is the second thing that was just surprising me and just amazing.
I want to invite all Nexus members who haven't been here, do come and visit us, set up a visit together with your contact from NRF. Come here and see us and our facilities.
Thank you so much,
for the team. Thank you. Have a good flight home.
See you.
See you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.